Hey guys, I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa.
And today's video is a what I eat in a day. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like what I eat in a day. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss a video. Also stay tuned to the end of this video. I show you a really good cookie recipe that I think you guys will love. Let's get into the video. For breakfast, we have oats and applesauce and banana. On way to the gym. I feel good. So what are you gonna do at the gym, Randa?
I don't even know cardio.
We are gonna do some biking, some weights. Gotta get these arms on fleek. Okay. Okay, so what we do is we go on this for like 30 minutes and we use an app to bot us. Basically when it says to go, you crunch it up, go as fast as you can.
High intensity
and then
interval.
rest. It's high intensity. We can't do this outside, it's way too hot. So beat. How are you feeling after your workout?
We just finished our workout and that was great. We ended up going for an hour and a half. We would do like 20 minutes on each machine. At least that's what I did.
And I feel like we're extra beat because we were on our feet for 10 miles yesterday. That
we
could
did
be part of it.
20,000 steps yesterday, guys.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go home and get ready for lunch at Follow Your Heart. We're going out to lunch with the family.
Because it's 4th of July.
Gotta celebrate. That's why we're dressed like this. So I'm pretty hungry now. I'm gonna have a snack. We got some pinto beans, my fave, and rice. I'm gonna eat a little bit of this before lunch. Oh, wow, we got vegan donuts, vegan whoopie pies, they're gluten-free. Ooh, look at that. You excited? So this is the indoor, it's like a diner. Nana, how are you doing this 4th of July?
Okay.
Okay? Are you excited to eat?
To know Mama, I guess I'm doing okay.
Good, good. How are you doing this 4th, Willie?
Patriotic.
Wait, why do you have a mustache?
For shits and gigs.
Do you like his mustache? Yeah. Yeah, really? It's cool. What are you thinking of ordering?
I think I'm actually gonna get the white bean tail burger. I've never had it.
A burger, wow.
I wanna get that.
All right, Willie, what are you ordering? Wait, what does Willie look like? Oh wait, Nacho Libre? Isn't
It is a little like Nacho Libre. Nacho!
I think I know what you're gonna order, Willie. The nachos. What did you order? Chili. I just got someone else's taco, yay! Ta-da! What did you buy, Nina?
Dried mango for dessert.
I don't really want to film myself eating a banana because someone will make a meme. We just got back from a wonderful lunch with our family and had some great food. Follow Your Heart is awesome because they have a completely salt, oil, sugar-free menu, and those sweet potatoes, clear skin, were so good. I'm gonna definitely be making those. If you guys want to see a recipe, make sure to give this video
sweet potato tacos.
thumbs up, so good. We wanted to talk with you guys about mental health today because we are big mental health advocates and we wanted to get the conversation going. If you're struggling with mental health, you are not alone. And granted, everyone might deal with it in a different way, but it's something that everybody does deal with. And one point or another. We feel like talking about it can help break the stigma, and if you are suffering with mental health, we want to encourage you to get help. Today's video, we've partnered up with BetterHelp. BetterHelp is affordable, private online counseling. I just tried out a session and I had a really good experience. You get access to licensed, trained, and fully accredited counselors and therapists. They're LGBTQ+ friendly, and also you can specify religious or non-religious, whatever you're comfortable with. So how it works is you get to message your therapist or whatever you're dealing with. You talk with them beforehand and you kind of go back and forth between messaging. We're really lucky that if we have a problem or a struggle, we talk about it with each other. and we can help make each other feel better. But I feel like there's a lot of people in the world who don't have that twin or that person that they feel close enough with to talk about these problems. That's why online counseling, like a third party, can be so beneficial. If you don't feel comfortable talking with your parents or maybe another adult in person, this is a great alternative or option, or maybe something to do in addition. I liked being able to schedule a session with the therapist just on my phone online. I didn't have to drive anywhere to get help. BetterHelp is cheaper than in-person counseling, and if money is an issue, you can look to see if you're eligible for a financial aid discount when you're signing up. If you're interested in signing up for BetterHelp, all you have to do is visit tryonlinetherapy.com/NinaRanda. We're gonna leave that linked in the description below if you guys wanna check that out. We've made videos on mental health in the past. I just made a video called How I Deal with Stress and Anxiety, which goes along with the mental health talk. So if you're dealing with stress or anxiety, we're gonna link that video down below so you can check it out. And I also made a video on ways to cope with depression, so make sure to check that out as well. All right, Randa, what are we making?
Today we are making snickerdoodle cookies. I made these the other day, and I'm actually adapting the recipe to make them clear skin approved if you have acne. These are very easy to make and very good, very fun. So we're adding 1/2 cup of applesauce. We're adding 2/3 cups of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. And since these are our wet ingredients, we're gonna mix these all together. Now we add in 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, and if you're gluten-free, you can just use gluten-free flour, but we're using this today.
Guys, give this video a thumbs up if we should do ASMR baking.
That would be really interesting. Okay,
we should do that.
1.5. Now we add in 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of oat milk. Now all we do is mix these together. I'm just gonna add a little splash of maple syrup because it'll give it an extra sugary deliciousness. And my name is Bud the Elf, so... Oh.
Sugar is part of our main food groups, right?
Candy cane gumdrops. We're gonna take these and put them into balls. So here I have sugar and cinnamon. And obviously, I'm not saying that this is health food, guys. This is obviously for a treat, but it's 4th of July. So we want to make some special goodies. We're taking our cookie dough, we're rolling it into balls, and this is what the texture should look like. Here I have sugar and cinnamon, and I'm gonna take the rolled cookie.
It's like a churro.
And I'm gonna dip it in here, like a churro, and spread it. The consistency with using the applesauce makes the batter slightly more watery, so if you find that it's sticking to your hands, just add a little bit of flour to your hands, and then it's much easier to roll them into balls. This recipe made 10 cookies. I think it could probably make 12, but I just made them really, really gigantic. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Ta-da! Here are the cookies. They almost look like scones in a way, or like little muffin cookies. So
These
bomb.
are big.
Big cookies. Yesterday I made banana pumpkin bread. If you want to see this recipe, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It smells so good, tastes great. Love it. Got some beans, rice, and curry.
My dessert, applesauce, oats, and a banana. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to check out BetterHelp, we're gonna leave them linked in the description. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Check out our other recipe videos linked in the corner or in the description. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a video. And we will see you next video. Bye! Bye!